man, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. You don't know it's your boy Nigel, so we're out here. Me and RiskyRegg.
Just had some curry chicken, man. It was unreal.
Yeah. So right now we are head out to the river. We are going all our vibes. Someone to stay tuned and watch the process. Right, Jay.
Yo.
So people got Reggie here, RiskyRegg with me as it. So we just a chill today cause we have some crazy video we are gonna do together. We're gonna do on his channel. Also is a YouTuber as well. Go by the name as RiskyRegg. Alright? So him link I got down in the description, so no check him out. So we're gonna do some crazy thing, but today is just a chill day. We are chill today. It's your first time in Jamaica, right,
Yeah,
Risky?
First time in Jamaica.
How you like Jamaica?
I'm loving it. I'm not leaving. I've really enjoyed it. It's been good.
Yeah, man, I enjoy Jamaica so far, so. And it's gonna be a vibe, so we'll just stay tuned and see what we pull off today. Alright, so which part and where we go today. Don't go nowhere now. Remember to subscribe.
Big up, subscribe.
That is it. Ever see this in Jamaica, rock climbing?
Yeah, man.
So can you explain a little to my audience about the rock climbing?
Okay.
What are you guys doing?
Well, it's an activity, recreational activity,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, it's pretty safe once you follow the rules and the protocols. And you know, you basically go up on the rock. You can see the rock going up all the way up there.
Mm-hmm.
And you just climb. You make your way up there. You know, find the holes, challenge yourself, and yeah, and you just make your way up.
Okay,
and it's thrilling, you know, it's fun.
It's fun.
Yeah, fun.
So my question is, I saw the rope up there in like a metal thing. Oh, you guys get that up there?
Okay, we just drill it.
Drill it?
Yeah, man, drill a hammer and yeah. But there's a whole process to make it safe, you know?
It's a whole process.
Yes, yeah, man, a whole process. But that's basically the long and short of it.
Long and short of it.
Put the bolts in and it's safe.
And safe.
Yes.
Oh, see someone here trying to climb it. So you have to get your hand, the stuff that you put on your hand.
Yeah.
I see you guys put like some white stuff on your hand. What is it?
Yeah, brother. Bless up.
So you're leaving?
Yeah.
How was it? First time doing it?
No.
Oh.
It's
So you teach if Jamaicans want to learn how they would find you guys.
okay, so we're on Instagram as Jam Rock Climbing.
Repeat it again.
Jam Rock Climbing.
Alright, when you hear that people say if you want to find them, if you're interested
Yes.
in doing some of these crazy stuff, cause I'm not crazy as yet, you know, cause I love my 3 pints. And
Fully safe, man.
Fully safe.
Fully safe.
Alright, so now check them out on Instagram. Repeat it one more time.
Yeah, man. Jam Rock Climbing on Instagram.
Jam Rock Climbing. Them link are down in the description, so now check them out
Nice.
and come try the rock climbing. So anywhere in where in Jamaica you guys do it?
Yeah, man. So we climb out here in Bull Bay here, so and we climb Discovery Bay, Trelawney, St. James.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So and we climb Negril too, but the Negril one you jump into the water.
Oh, you jump off into the water after?
Yeah, it's water below you, not ground.
Okay. So if you fall, you're going in water, but if you fall right here, so but you're not gonna fall
Yeah,
still.
man. The rope are gonna catch you.
The rope.
Yeah, man. Rope solid, you know?
Yeah, man, a solid piece
Yeah,
of
man.
rope
Yes,
too.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. See a general right here, so I get prepared up. I put on the gears them. And you have to have special shoes.
Yes.
Special shoes.
He does it in the Crocs.
Yeah?
He does them in the Crocs.
Oh well, I mean down here.
You got to put them in sport mode, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's like more professional.
Yes.
So it look like him know what I'm doing.
Okay.
Alright, big up on
Yeah, man,
yourself.
big up.
Ah.
What's your channel name?
It's Nigel Yeman TV.
Nigel Yeman TV.
So I spell the Yeman YAHMAN TV.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yaman.
Yeah, Yeman.
Okay.
So you can check it out.
All
Alright, take care, alright?
Bless up,
Big up.
G. Alright.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Bye, thank you. Bye.
Alright, so you hear that people say if you want to do some rock climbing, you check them out. So we're there with RiskyRegg. So him know the risk, you know. So him a go do
I might
it.
have to do it.
So cause him all about taking risks. So we're gonna see if him a go do it for it today, alright? So we're there at River Falls Mackie, my dad try to shout you, but me nah get you. I just straight voicemail me I get bro. So when you see that video, you just give me a link. Alright, so we reached down to the river. What you say now, Reggie? You ready to go in the water? Go hold some swim? Yeah, over there, so we're going to go hold 2 swim and things. Yeah, man, can't leave it right here somewhere. So we're going to jump off in the water over there, so now just watch the process, alright? Alright. What we have play? How you do? How about that? Our name is the ball get slow. If you drop the ball 3 times, if you drop the ball 3 times, you're out. Alright, we have play OUT. Come in. Ready? Yeah. Hold that. Hold that. Yeah? Alright. Oh. Alright. Nice, jump your foot. Touch guy. Oh. So we are playing some football here, so people. All UT. So Reggie joining our game. So Reggie spell it, Reggie the whole.
Yeah. What man you?
Eh?
What man? Oh, are you?
I'm O. O you. Oh. Falls today, hear that? One and only. I read I enjoy himself, him like it. You like it? Oh man! Somebody come back from a taxi. Touch it. Yo, a big swimmer. See a next one over there, so. Watch your back, please. Watch it, please. Woo! Yeah. Yo, be a action. The man, them skills. Nah, big swimmer, man. Nah, big swimmer. You just try a thing? Yeah. Nah man, that's not try. That one they just try a while ago. I try. Don't make him pull. Let me try first one right, just hold this to me right.
Nigel's got the skills, mate.
Yeah man,
He's got the skills, mate.
Yeah. Oh, next. Little corner here, so I go and chill. I have here crazy thing them are going with the sun. The water rough. What's a fucking alien one? Where black you get?
I said that in England there's not one waterfall, not a natural one anyway, maybe like a fake one that they've made, but
yeah,
no natural waterfall, nothing. You get nothing like this.
Nothing like this.
Nothing like this.
So no natural waterfalls in England.
Nothing's natural in England, nothing.
Okay, it's just cold over there, right? Very, very cold.
Yeah, it's like 1 degree.
1 degree
now, yeah.
Yo, we Jamaican, we can't manage that. If we go England in the cold time, we have to wear a lot of sweat, a lot of clothes, a whole pack of clothes. But yeah man, Reg a full joy himself at Jamaica.
What?
You say yeah, full joy yourself a yard.
Yeah man.
They are trying to do handstand underneath the water. Where's that? Right, that's right, that's good. Yes, sir. Oh, get him now. These a river here now, and we are head out to our next river. I let them beautiful lady here pass first. So we are head out to our next river right now. So now stay tuned till we get to the next river. What you say, Reg?
What's up?
Ready for the next river?
Yeah, man, I'm ready.
Alright, come in. We are doing road here now. Reggie ready to climb now the rocks?
Nah.
Yeah, he's ready now.
I ain't ready.
Reggie gonna do it now, guys. So yeah, we're the Caymanas River right now. You see it? The vibes are started, everything just a warm up, you see it? So we're there out here and go on with that vibe. Banging! So people, I want to tell you guys, enough love and respect. It comes to us in Reggie.
Mate.
Today.
What? I can't explain it. What a night. It's up there with the top 3 best nights of my life, honestly. It's crazy. It's crazy. So make sure you watch this video throughout and watch it again, twice.
Definitely. So we bring Reggie around a Caymanas River. Big up Reg, 100%.
He's so good.
Yeah man, enough love. And please remember, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. We have crazy more to come to you guys, alright? Enough love. One Reggie.
Stay risky.
Damn.